My name is Dima.
And I'm Roy.
And I'm from King Stingray.
Today we're going to talk about our favourite places in the NT.
Arnhem Land is a place where we grow up. It's like a small remote community beside the coastal area, and it's a place where we always will be.
It's alive, that country. It's powerful, and it only takes you to go to there to really feel the power and the energy from it and the rawness of it. You know, its strong colours, I think, is really unique to that area. In the whole wide world, you don't see this sort of stuff. This is really exclusive to the top end in that part of the world.
It's like a paradise place where everyone loves to come and enjoy their timeline with us and sort of learn a little bit of culture, education, and then coming down to big cities and sharing those.
It's like a really simple life, helping old ladies, doing stuff like weaving and some, going out to the bush for EM and everything, like making spears.
Fishing and hunting, it's a really big part of life up there. As soon as I saw Dimmer yesterday, he's just telling me how fat the stingray are at the moment and healthy, and the fishing, it's a big part of life, eh?
It has to be in a balance always. Part of the world, there's Toa and Yirija, which is like yin and yang, and every season where we can go and get maybe one fish or whatever, and maybe in 4 years time, and that's where we go back. It's like a giving thanks to the land itself for giving us something to survive. Living in Yirikala, I love fishing at Willama on the other side of our local beach there, and catch like the Noikal season, you get the giant trevally season. They come in big schools and they really kind of sweep in across to the beach, and a really awesome fish because it's got a lot of significance, but really good fighting fish, and you can get really big ones too. So Lookout is the biggest part of the community as well. It has a couple of strong stories about it, and also where everyone loves to come up and see what's out there. It's like a big beautiful view watching over to Brahma where I grew up, and also the beach. The food as well is so unique to that area. Kuko season, the honey, the bush honeys, everyone goes crazy for it. Munjuj, another one, is like berry, just so much yummy food. Can't get a munjuj in Melbourne.
That's the most thing I've been missing, all the meats, fresh meats like stingray, dugong, oysters, everything.
These boys love eating the food and cooking. Dimmer's a master chef. Cooking on his homeland, he'll be whipping up a storm, stingray balls,
missing it.
Yeah, see, it's been 1 day already and they're already missing it. The art centre is a really important place because there's so much art that comes out of that community. It's worldly recognised. It's a really beautiful art centre, so if you're ever going there, you've got to go to the art centre. Growing up in Arnhem Land, it's a very special place for us. It's home for Yolngu people and lots of famous artists and people and leaders that are really championing so much of what we're sort of living in today's society is because of these people that have gone before us from this little community.
Yo, ngarannya Dimata, adola daw anak buru ikangala main mak.
Yo, my name's Roy. Thanks for listening to us talk about our favourite spots in the NT.
Yo, ngarannya Iranga, we're from King Stingray. Main mak metere. Yo. Ngaraka.